Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So just press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Say which one work for you. Fix 3. Log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. If you have another secondary account, then you can also log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 4 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 5 is to switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on your PS5 console and then check. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 6. Rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and then rebuild database. Next select rebuild database. OK. Now launch Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select a system and then choose HDMI tab. Now turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. But please take a note, make sure to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game, then select delete OK. Now restart your console, then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change the DNS settings from automatic to manual and then in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10. Reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So these were some of the fixes that you can try to solve Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.